Hello there, my name is Chris Palmer, and in today's video, I am going to walk you through on how you can create do-follow backlinks for your website. Now, if you want to learn how to make more backlinks, see the first comment, but before you start building these links, I want you to know that you should start with what is called a temporary email. You see, a temporary email is going to allow you to go ahead and send the verification for these websites over to the temporary email. That way you can separate your link building from your other SEO campaigns. So I do not want to waste any time. Let's get right into the link building. Welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 5 links. So let's not waste any time. Let's get right into it. So the very first link will be Quibiblo, Quibiblo.com. So this particular domain is a DA62 with a PA63, and we have a 2% spam score. So this is a relatively nice site. Let's see if we can get a link on it. It wants me to sign up. I'd rather not. So let's do Chris Palmer at consultant.com. If you've stuck with me through that, I applaud you. I was sorting a couple things out. I had a nice run of edu links within the list, and I want to save those for the end. All right, we'll do mail. Okay, 04, 20, and 1985. It's kind of close to my birth date. All right, let's get rid of this so we can scroll on down. CP. What's going on here? Let's try this again. Sign up. I'm not a robot. All right, confirmation email has been sent. So it's a little tricky there. Moving on. So this is going to be Quibiblo. So let's go ahead and refresh this and see if we got something. There we go. So we'll get in there. We'll activate our account. So here we are. All right, so let's do the name. Chris Palmstar, SEO Palmer. Country is United States. Tamaqua, Pennsylvania. That is actually where I live at this time. Link to my website or blog. So I guess this is where the link will be. Send that to an internal page, and then the About Me. Let's go ahead and add this in there. And it is allowing the link. So let's go SEO. And let's put the link. Save. Okay. See, as you can see, do follow. And we have a DA62, but want to fill it out. I want to stick this around for a while. So we'll go ahead and continue. Error. I don't know what the error is. Oh, it could be these funky deals here. Let's make this bold. And then continue. Yep, that's what it was. All right. So this is so it's giving me SEO testers. Let's see what we're sitting on. So it is a DA62 PA35. So I kind of want this to stick around for a while. I really like this a lot. Now let's double check this. It is a do follow link. All right, so moving on. That's Quiblo. So that's one. The next one, we are going to do another one of these. It's justtelly.com. It is this same type of platform, but it is yet another domain. It's DA9, PA15. We've gone over this in past videos. You will create an account and then just set up it as a do follow. Let's move on to the next. So that's 2. This is 3, netvibes.com/EN. So what we'll do is we will go ahead and sign up. We'll do Chris Palmer at consultant.com. Put in our password. Don't show me this again. I agree. Don't send me stuff, and sign up. All right. Thanks for signing up. Check your inbox. Okay. So this is NetVibes. We've already did that. All right, so here's our NetVibes email. You will need to confirm email for NetVibes, so we'll confirm. And then what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and clean this out. Your inbox will end up being inundated, believe me. I had a past one, and I went back to go and use it, and you saw there was probably 8,300 emails in there, because it was something that I did like this before in the past, and it was absurd. All right, so go to my dashboard. So let's take a look at our dashboard and see what we can do here at netvibes.com, which is a DA93. So it's looking like a relatively good link. I've seen worse. All right. DA93. Okay, so add to enrich. Okay. I don't know if this is just a profile or what. So let's go to add. Close the coaching. So we'll go into the account. And first and foremost, I confirm that I am at least this age. And let's take a look here and see if we can add. Okay. Edit account information. Okay. Manage dashboard. So here's one place where we're able to. All right, so here's your public dashboard is enabled. So we want it to be public, that's for certain. So let's make sure we do that. Dashboard wizard. Okay, let's do the dashboard wizard. Enter a topic you want to track. So let's do SEO testing. Okay, dashboard it. All right, so now that we're in a dashboard, I guess that we are able to do something in here. I'm not sure what. Let's add something. Reading app, Potion app, your wizard of internet things. Okay. This is a really cool site, actually. I kind of like this. Let's add something new, a topic. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's do HTTPS. Let's dashboard that. I see. So you're able to dashboard. I've dashboarded my email. Okay. Activate my public dashboard. So here it is. And then here's the, I see now. So we don't want news on there. We just want it to be that. All right, let's come up here and see if this is an interesting, very interesting little topic here. Wow. This is kind of cool. I like how they do this. So this is a do down here. So let's go in here to the settings. Okay, so this one's a do follow. So this is going to be the one, HTTPS. And then we're going to add our link into here. Alrighty. Condensed. I'm going to keep everything how it is, but in here I'm going to do SEO Consulting Pennsylvania, because this is a relatively strong, look at that, that's a beaut. What did it pop it off? Yep, do follow, there we go. Do follow backlink on a DA93 PA47 page. There it is right there on a public dashboard. Absolutely phenomenal. You could probably go in here and do it to all of these assets if you wanted to. So I really like this. This is cool. And it's a cool little, it's cool, man. I like it a lot. So let's move on to the next one. This is Net Vibes. Really unique. I'll probably come back here and check it out a little bit more later on. All right. So that was Net Vibes. Okay. I don't want to pop this off. All right, so let's get rid of that. All right, so that was 4, and this will be the last one for now for this particular training session. So this is Press Folios. So this is pressfolios.com, DA57, PA43. What we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and create a portfolio, press folio today. So it's going to be Chris Palmer at consultant.com. All right, we're going to go ahead and get started. All right, what's my name? My name is Christopher Palmer. That's me. My profession is digital nerd. Digital nerd, that's me. Where am I located? I'm located in USA. My password is, all right, choose a URL for my portfolio. How about SEO SEO consultant New York. Continue. SEO consultant New York. Only letters and numbers. Only letters and numbers. Okay. All right, so only letters and numbers. So how about SEO consultant New York.com. Oh, I have to redo it. Okay. SEO consultant New York. Free trial is only 14 days. So the question is, will it be crawled and will I get a ghost link? I think it's worth a try. So let's go ahead and do it. It's a DA57. Let's go ahead and try it. And so we have 14 days to get this done. So let's TechCrunch. Oh, I see. Okay, so let's add a story. Yes, I'm sure. Let's do https chrispalmermarketing.com/SEO. Add story. Let's come up here and see if this is a do. Okay, no. Google SEO stack training. Okay. The URL. An excerpt. Let's go ahead and see what. Okay. Headline. This is interesting. So we'll update this story. Okay. Published. So this is published. What's the address? Because we're going to need that. Publication date. Okay, let's do this one. The URL is this. Update. Okay. Let's go into my account. All right, so this is SEO Consultant New York. And then, okay, is this a do follow? It is. Okay. So there you go. That's how you create that. So what we'll do is we'll take this. We know we only have 14 days. Probably go to an indexer. You know, I use this as a test. I'm not recommending this, but say you have something that's like this, right? Something that you only have a short period of time. You might want to go and hurry up and get that indexed relatively quickly. All right, so what we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and run this through an indexer because I want to go ahead and get this done. So we'll paste that in and we will so it's one link. All right, so we'll go ahead and give that to them. Let them go ahead and crawl that quick. They build links to it. I have some other ones running. As soon as I get the results, I'll let everybody know. I'll see you in the next video. All right, so that was another 5. Welcome back to the training. So in this video, we will be creating yet another 5 links. So let's not waste any time. Let's go ahead and get right into it. So, you'll want to open up your mail account, and the very first link will be tact.com. So it's looking like a DA13, PA26, relatively high spam score, but we're not here for spam score. We're here to build links. So let's go ahead and get into it. All right. Let's see here. Upload a photo or a video or write something or just paste a link. Okay, sounds good to me. Let's do that. So let's take this entire page, copy it, and oh no, I don't want to upload anything. I just want to put a link in there. Too many words. Okay, so we have 2,000 and some words. Let's clear this off. Let me see, is that too much? Okay. Okay, so let's clean this out. How's that? Oh, minus 2,000 more. Jeez. Okay, let's just make a citation. How's that? Hopefully they like that. All right, so I'm not a robot. I don't know how this is going to work, but we're about to see. Let's go ahead and post it. This is an interesting setup. I actually like this idea for a user-generated site. It's just a little custom box. Hey, drop a link or write something. I think, you know, I would probably set it up if they wrote 1,000 words and they put a link, then I'd give it to them. But if it was anything less, then maybe I wouldn't, or, you know, something like that. I'm looking to see where it is. I'm not seeing it. Maybe I'm missing something here. Newest. Let's go to newest and see if it gave it to us. And then we'll check. I just want to make sure. So do I have to sign up? Learn more. Facts. Let's get out of here. Sign in. Okay, sign up. Oh, you have to sign up. Okay, so SEO testers. Email is chrispalmer@consultant.com. I thought you could just, consult, TA, too many T's. See how I get? Confirm my email. Okay. Paste that in there. Password. All right, we'll have to do another password. I'm not a robot. And then we'll sign up. Need a drink. Alrighty, what's going on here? Sign up. ReCAPTCHA validation, it has not worked. Is that so? Oh, SEO testers 1. Okay. Sign up. Okay. Let's try that again. Sign in. Inbox. Nothing. Okay. Email. Password. Let's try it out and see what happens. Okay, we're in. Cool. All right, so let's go up here, and what we'll do is we will put in our citation. We'll go ahead and use this and see how that works out for us. We will post. List of topics should have at least one topic. Okay, so technology. Alright, seems like it's taking a relatively long time, but that's okay. Newest? Did it let me put... there it is. Okay, so we were able to successfully drop a link. Let's see. How do you... Are these follows? Okay. So if I click on this, add a comment. Okay. Submit. Okay. How did they do that? How did they get that in there? We gotta figure this part out. Okay. So maybe it has something to do with being a movie? Okay, so here, let's do this. Let's make it, vids. Oh, custom topic. Okay. Chris Palmer marketing.com/SEO/. And then we'll post it. List of topics should have at least one topic. Okay. Add a custom topic. Alright, we're spending too much time on this, but I want to know how they got this in there. They got it in there somehow. You know? So, we're going to figure this out. But I'm sure you could figure it out. I have faith that you could figure it out. I'm not sure how they're doing it, but they're doing it. Let's go to tact. And maybe we could just move on then. I'm not sure how they're doing this. Let me take a look here. I'm just curious here. News, movies. Oh, okay. Well, I'm sure we could figure it out. I'm not gonna sit and do it. So that's one. Let's move on to the next. I'm sorry. TES.com. All right, so here we are. Register for free. So we'll go ahead and register. I shouldn't have spent that much time on there. I'm sorry. I know that I could do it. It's just a matter of how. Log in now. So I am a teacher. What kind of work do I do? Well, it's primary. Curriculum do I teach? You know, it doesn't matter. Okay, continue to register. And email is chrispalmer@consultant.com. Username is SEO Palmer. And it's going to be this one. And register. All right, so contact customer support. All right, join us for free. Teacher. It's a primary. Curriculum. US. When did I start teaching? Oh, I see. 1975. Continue. Okay. All right. Well, this might be a bust. It might be a bust. Let's log in and try it out. So we'll do Chris so it's Chris Palmer at consultant.com. And then we use this one right here. This one might be a bust. Log in. We don't recognize it. All right, so you might be able to log in with Google. I can guarantee that there's a do-follow availability on this site. I just do not want to use my Gmail, but it's 1,000% you will get. You can get a link from this site. All right, so it's tes.com. All right, let's move on to the next. So this is peertube.qtg.fr, and we have created this type together a couple times. All right, so you just need to create the account and then follow through with the process like we did in past videos. All right, so let's go on to the next, to our 4, and this is Gumroad. I'm sure you already or probably have a Gumroad account. And Gumroad is relatively simple to set up. So let's go ahead and create an account. All right. So for this particular site, I will go ahead and sign up with Twitter. Because I've been wanting to get on here anyway. So that's perfectly fine. All right, so Gumroad, and this is going to be, how about just SEO? Yeah, that misspelling might work. Is SEO consultant taken? No? Bio? So what we're going to do is we're just going to go ahead and add in a citation. Just perfectly fine. Photo, you can use that one. Community is going to be Education. Okay. And send me updates. No thanks. Username can only be lowercase. Okay. Oh, I see. Here, we'll just make it Chris Palmer SEO. How about that? Start selling today, sell on pre-release, or do a membership. So if you don't already know about this, this is where you can sell stuff. They sell trainings on here. So this is already here. I believe this is a do. Let's double check. Yep. So a do follow from Gumroad as a seller. I use it as a branded asset. So that's number 4. Let's move on to the next. And this is Zyro.com. That's Zyro.com. So for this particular site, what we will do is we're going to join. And we need an email address. So that's pretty easy to come up with. chrispalmer@consultant.com. And we will continue. It looks like they want to give me some trouble. It's on our block list. That's a shame. Let's see what kind of score we got going on here. All right, so it's not really worth it for me. All right, so, and 2, just because that's on a block list doesn't mean that Gorilla Mail is. So we can go to Gorilla Mail quick. They tend to work too. So I guess this could be another tip. So we'll just go for Chris, and we go to GRR, we'll go to set, and we'll come over here, and we'll just use Chris at grr.la, and if they block this, then we know that it's on our block list. All right, so it has to basically be, it has to be a real email, but this is on the list. It's a guarantee to do follow. It's going to be a profile link. It's Zyro.com/sign up. So if you're willing to utilize either Facebook or Google, a Gmail account, you will be able to sign up for this. All right, so that's going to be 5. I look forward to seeing you in the next training. I'll see you then.